Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Andrea and today I'm going to be doing the May Boxycharm unboxing. So I received this in the mail yesterday, so I wanted to hop on today and do a quick little try on style unboxing. So let's go ahead and see what is in the box. Alright, so when we first open our box, the first thing I see is this month's theme. This month's theme is Make Wave with Boxycharm, and there are 5 products in this month's box, so let's hop right in. Okay, so the first thing I see when I open the box is this big Glamglow facial cleanser. So it comes in this super pretty holographic marble packaging. I actually kind of love it. And this is what the packaging looks like. It is called the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So it's a facial cleanser. I'll actually talk a little bit more about this product in my Boxy skincare review. The next thing in the box is this Lustre cream eyeshadow from Ciate. It is basically a glitter cream eyeshadow. It's very, very pretty. It's also purple and holographic, so it's actually very, very nice. This is what the applicator looks like. Let's actually give it a swatch here on my... Wow, that is very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a quick swatch of what it would look like just on your arm. But now I'm actually gonna give it a try on my eyelids. I'm basically just kind of going with my finger. I think that's how I would use this product. So I'm just gonna dab it on. It feels nice. And then I'm gonna go in with my ring finger and just blend it out. So I actually really like this so far. I'm looking at it in the mirror and it looks very pretty. It has a lot of green tone. I think that I would use this more for like my inner corner, or maybe just like a pop of shimmer on the middle of the eyelid and like a halo eye or like some purple look. But so far I really, really like this. So what's next in the box? I see some Alamar cosmetics and I'm so excited. This is the 3rd product we've received in a Boxycharm from Alamar. The eyeshadow palette is actually super amazing and pigmented, and I was so excited for her to come out with different products. Now she has the Colorete blush trio. The packaging is super pretty. It has like foil little gold spots and it looks like the water and it looks super summery, and I love it. This is what it looks like. There are 3 colors in this one. I have the one that is Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. So we have like these nice, I feel like they're beautiful now for the summer. They have a little bit of shimmer in them. They're very warm tone, so it'll look super nice with bronze skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a try. I'm gonna give them a quick swatch. So we have Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. So this is what they look like. They feel super buttery smooth, and I think that they're gonna be amazing on the skin, on every skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with this Luxie 516 Dual Fiber Powder. So I just like a little bit of subtle color. I'm gonna go in with Paraíso. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. So the next thing that we have is this Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. Normally, I'm not gonna lie, I don't love when they just give us like wooden pencils, but I saw this color and it actually looked really nice. I'm gonna give it a quick little swatch. It's very pretty. It's like green, with like blue undertones. So I think that these would look really nice with like brown eyes and like, I don't know, mostly like all eyes. I'm gonna go in right now and see what it would look like. I love putting pops of color in my lower lash line, so I think that this pencil would be really good for that. Okay, so I realized I wasn't recording when I put this lipstick on. I might look a little crazy, but this is the Dose of Colors lipstick in Pinky Promise. It is actually very pretty. It's just not my style of lipstick at all. But I mean, the formula feels nice. It feels pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel drying. It doesn't feel crackly. There's really no like cracks in my lips. I already did a quick little swatch earlier and I realized I wasn't recording. So yeah, I would definitely pair this with like a neutral smoky eye for like a night out. Make the lips like the pop of color because they are pretty dramatic. So I did put on a little bit of mascara and just share my final thoughts with you guys. My favorite products from the box were definitely this Alamar Cosmetics blush trio. I'm super excited to try out this Glamglow cleanser. I will talk a little bit more about it in my next video, which is the Boxy skincare review. So if you want to stay tuned and see how this performed, stay tuned for that video. I actually really like this cream eyeshadow. I think that it's really pretty. As you can see, it's very sheer, but it looks really good. This pencil is one of the best wooden pencils they've sent in the box, so I actually do like it. As I said, I would not pair it with this lip, but I do like this. I will keep using this. And as for the lip, love the formula, love the brand, love the color, just don't love it on me. I would definitely go ahead and pick this up in a more mauve-y neutral shade, and I think that it would be perfect. So with that being said, I think that this month's box is actually 2 big thumbs up from me. I'm super excited to try out the skincare box as well. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!